Over 3 years ago, I started this YouTube channel primarily because of a hobby. I really liked shooting and editing video, and I thought it would be a really fun thing to try out. And I really like tech, so why not talk about the things I used in my daily life, right? It's like something finally clicked. And I can tell you my initial videos were not very good. And one of those videos has about 100,000 views, and people had to watch that. I didn't know what I was doing. The footage was noisy, the background was way too dark. I couldn't even use the microphone correctly, and people were pointing it out in the comments and linking me references and saying, hey, this is how you actually should be using that mic. I was a complete novice, and I was in a world I didn't completely understand. But now, things are really different. And in 3 years' time, nearly 20,000 of you guys enjoy this content, and I think that's amazing. I think my point is, it hasn't always been this way, and things have changed a lot. I can now afford gear that I originally strayed away from because it was too expensive. This whole studio setup, it looks pretty nice. I really like this shot now. Before, I used to dread shooting this shot because it looked ugly in all my older videos. I really love it now, and I think it's a strong point of the channel. So I'm gonna show you guys what a YouTuber with roughly 19 to 20,000 subscribers has for a studio. Let's get started. Okay, so now I'm shooting off of a completely different camera. I'm shooting off of the camera I used to use all the time, the Sony a5100. And I'm sitting in the chair I always sit in when you see me shoot these shots, and I'm gonna turn around a bit and show you guys what's in front of me. This is the camera I always shoot off of, and right now I'm showing you footage of me holding the camera, and we're switching back and forth between these cameras. It's kind of creepy, right? And on top of that is the mic that I mentioned in my last video, the Rode VideoMic NTG. I really do like this mic, guys. I know they did send it to me, but I really do enjoy it, and I use it for a lot of my stuff now. And this camera is my baby. I love this camera to death. This is the Sony a7 Mark III. Basically, this camera has everything that you could want in a camera and more. I would say the only thing that's really missing from it is a flippy screen like this one has. A flippy screen. I really have nothing but nice things to say about this camera. Great battery life, amazing 4K footage. You can even do a bunch of slow motion effects. Actually, I made a review on this, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Lighting used to be a really big deal in my videos, and now that I work a full-time job, I don't have too much time to shoot during the daytime, so natural light is really hard to get. So I ended up going out and buying a softbox light. Here's the light right here. It's very hard to see. Let me get up out of my chair. This is the Godox SL60W. It emits enough light for me to use, and I appreciate it. Now, because this camera doesn't have a flippy screen, I actually use Sony's app that allows you to display what's on the screen on your smartphone. So here is my phone. Hi guys. It's on the ground and it's recording. It's not the best solution, but it's good enough for me, and it gets the job done, just in case I need to reframe myself or something. Originally, I did not have the light box. I actually used the LED strip that is lining my closet. Let me turn that on real quick. I used to use this a lot for all my videos because it was a great source. And I know you're wondering why I record straight out of the closet. That's because audio tends to echo over here, and you can hear it. Despite my ceiling fan being right there, you can clearly hear echo. So I wanted to get rid of that, and surprise, surprise, closets are a great source of sound isolation because your clothes absorb all that sound, so it can't bounce anywhere. This closet provides a lot of function. In fact, all my video gear is inside this storage unit right here. I put all my audio gear, one tub, all my light gear in here when they're not in use, and on the bottom, just cables. The reason why I like it in this tub is because you can roll it around and move it where you need it to be, rather than have it in, like, say, a stationary dresser. And all my video gear fits inside my closet with all my clothes. In fact, this is the teleprompter I normally read off of. Can you believe it? I use a teleprompter. That's right. All the funny, corny jokes, all the cringy jokes that I tell, doesn't come straight from here. It comes straight from here onto a computer and onto a teleprompter. Go figure. Now, the one thing that's annoying, and the thing I haven't changed yet, and the thing that I said I would change, is this chair. Look at this thing. This thing is awful. But there's chairs that use bonded leather, and I would not recommend it. Bonded leather is this junk right here. It's guaranteed to fail within 2 years. It looks disgusting. And as you can see right here, unintentionally, this kind of looks like the United States of America. So there's the Space I Shoot video, but it's not the only part. I know a lot of people ask me questions about that thing back there. That thing, yeah, my desk. Let's head over there right now. So this is my desk setup. I also actually made a video on this before. It has changed a little bit. Maybe I'll do an update when I change it even more. But there is an RGB strip behind this. It's the LIFX Z LED strip. The reason why I like that particular light strip is you can color code every little segment and do cool effects like make it move, all that cool stuff. I really enjoy it. And really, this desk has made a really nice backdrop for all of my videos. It's really pretty, at least I think so. And the thing people always ask me about, at least in some of my earlier videos, is what kind of software am I using for these moving wallpapers? Well, there's this thing called Wallpaper Engine. It's a Steam application, Steam software that you can purchase. It's a couple bucks. And pretty much it lets you choose a lot of different wallpapers that people put up there, that people edit and change. But there's some interesting stuff on there, that's for sure. So just be careful. And this desk is also the place I shoot a lot of my videos. So that's my bedroom / studio space. I know I didn't go too much into depth, but I thought it'd be nice to just show you guys how everything looks. I'm not completely satisfied with everything yet, but it's getting there. It's getting there. I really like it so far. And I normally don't make videos like these, but I hope that is at least kind of cool or kind of interesting to you. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And well, I guess the lesson from this video is, I guess, don't believe everything you see on camera because it's not as nice and pretty as you actually think, I guess. I'm just kidding. I just showed you guys because I thought it was actually pretty interesting and you guys want to see it. So anyway, if you have any comments for me, maybe you want to suggest something for the studio space that I can add, or maybe you think I should take something out, or actually, I want your opinion. What do you think of the entire studio space? Leave that all down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and well, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.